Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word sincerely. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. I sincerely appreciate all of your help and support. Sincerely is an adverb that expresses genuine feelings or intentions. It is often used to indicate honesty or earnestness in communication. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.